Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti Q50 3.0 premium all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest vehicles come in on trade, and this one is no exception. It is a clean Carfax vehicle, 2 previous owners, very nicely equipped with features. In fact, we have the original build sheet on it. It's always good to look at the fine print because not all Q50s are created equal. For instance, the retail base price on this one was $42,650, but when you add in all the equipment, the price balloons all the way up to $49,220. So there's a lot of equipment on this one, so maybe you might be looking at another Q50 that might seem like a better deal, but if that one's a base one, and this one has also all this equipment on it, then maybe it might not be that great of a deal. So if you have any questions about the way an Infiniti is built, send us the VIN, contact us, we'll be happy to pull one of these for you, just as long as it's like, I think it's 2014 or newer, so you can make an intelligent decision. Even if you don't buy one from us, we want to help you make the right decision on an Infiniti. But talking about this specific one, so let's go over some of the features that we have on this. We have the maple wood trim package, that was $400, giving you beautiful maple wood interior trim. Then the leather seating package, that was $1,000, giving you upgraded leather seats. The standard seats on these are leatherette. So the leather seats are definitely a nice upgrade. Then we have the driver's assistance package, that is $2,150, giving you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, an around view monitor with moving object detection, and backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert. Then we have the Premium Plus package, that gives you navigation with voice recognition, Navi, synchronized adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control will momentarily hold the current gear for better acceleration of a corner, turn, or when accelerating up a hill. But the Navi synchronization takes it a step further, obviously, because it can see the upcoming road conditions on the navigation and prepare for it. Cool stuff. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, power tilt telescoping steering column with memory, dual occupant memory seats for driver's seat, mirrors, steering column, and 60/40 split rear bench. And let's pause that phone call real quick. Alright, sorry for that interruption, and let's talk more about this vehicle now that we went over the features. So we talked about the beautiful leather interior. We have a drive mode selector here that will make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, so you have personal, sport, standard, eco, and snow. You'll also notice that the Q50 has a 7-speed automatic transmission. It also has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, push it to the left, you push up to upshift, back to downshift. It will provide you with rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. And we can also see that this has a dual display system. In fact, when the Q50 first came out in 2014, it was the first production car of its kind to have a dual display system like this. Now there's a few copycats. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector there as well as a bunch of other things. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. This one only has 27,746 miles. Illuminated kick plates. Bose Studio surround sound system. It's one awesome audio system, especially if you love music. Really nice, easy to take care of color combination on graphite on black leather. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midget platform. It's built on a sports car platform also shared with the Nissan 370Z. It's a well-balanced platform, pushing the engine pretty far back behind the front axle, giving it excellent weight distribution. As near perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible on a vehicle like this. It's a rear-wheel drive based platform, but intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This does have the optional intelligent all-wheel drive. Generally, that's what people like in our wet, slippery climate. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% rear-wheel drive. That will help improve fuel economy, gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. That's why they have that rear-wheel drive bias versus the all-wheel drive system working all the time. But it uses a trick electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive system. So it can actually activate the all-wheel drive very quickly in a matter of milliseconds. So as soon as those rear wheels slip, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. So you get amazing performance in wet, slippery conditions. And that all-wheel drive system will also improve your dry weather performance. For instance, you can get on the power a little bit earlier in corners, and that all-wheel drive system will help pull you through. The heart of the Q50 is a VR30 twin turbo V6. This is a great engine replacing the aging 3.7 liter V6. This has turbos and direct injection, so it's a little bit more low on torque, a little bit more responsive and better fuel economy than the 3.7 liter V6 it replaces. 300 horsepower. You have direct injection, you have 2 small turbos. So rather than having 1 big turbo, they use 2 small turbos, so it can react a little bit better to you know, what you're asking from the engine, improving the engine's responsiveness. So really is a fantastic power plant. People love that engine. Beautiful styling on the Q50. We have great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery up to 250 miles. Contact us for more information about our mobile delivery service. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.